Everyone shows you the after. Long, glossy, perfect nails. But no one really talks about what's happening underneath. If you have ever removed your extensions and thought, why do my nails look worse than before? Then this video is going to answer that. I'm not here to hate on extensions. I'm here to tell you the truth that most people skip. Because once you understand that, you're never going to look at your nails the same way again. Make sure you watch this video till the end because I'm going to be sharing 8 truths about nail extensions, starting with number 1. They don't go on healthy nails, they go on altered nails. Before extensions are applied, your natural nail is filed and roughened. Why? So that the product can stick properly, which also means that you're already compromising your natural nail before the extensions even begin. Truth number 2, they look stronger, but your real nail gets weaker. Extensions feel strong because they are rigid, they are thick. At the end of the day, it's plastic. But due to overfiling, your real nail becomes more thinner, more flexible, and more prone to breakage. Truth number 3. The real damage doesn't happen during wear time. It happens during removal. And this is the part that no one really emphasizes enough on. During removal, soaking in chemicals for longer duration, scraping, and filing is done that causes damage. And if this step is rushed or aggressive, you can literally remove layers of your natural nail. After removal, people notice dryness, white patches, peeling, and that's not random. That's your nail telling you that it's been over processed. This brings us to truth number 4. Extensions and natural nails don't move the same way. Your natural nail is slightly flexible, but extensions are rigid. They are not bendable. This mismatch creates stress. Even if you accidentally bend your natural nail, it won't break immediately. But extensions can be really painful in such situations. And in some cases, your nail can actually start lifting from the nail bed. Truth number 5. Lifting of extensions means higher risk of infections. When there's even a tiny gap between your extensions and your natural nails, moisture gets trapped in there. This is in fact very common with press-ons as well. Your hands get dirty, you eat food, you wash them, you do other stuff. All of that gunk is getting accumulated in that gap. And that becomes the perfect environment for bacteria and fungal growth. You don't even notice it until things get serious. And here we are at truth number 6, and it's a hard one. Now you're stuck in a cycle and there is no going back. Refills every 2 to 3 weeks or a complete new set because now you don't like your natural damaged nails anymore, do you? Each refill means more filing, more product, more exposure. It's not maintenance, it's repeated stress on the same damaged nail. And let's not even talk about the expenses because you are paying for each step, each nail, and for removal as well. Truth number 7. Extensions can hide real nail problems. When your nails are constantly covered, you cannot see discoloration, damage, infections, or anything. So the issues go unnoticed until they are worse. Do you know that your nails reflect your health? Last but not the least, number 8. Extensions are not bad, but they are not low maintenance either. Let's be clear. Extensions are not evil, but they do come with risk and long-term impact. And most people are never told that part. This is why so many people say my nails got worse after extensions. Not because extensions are the villain, but because the full picture was never explained. I personally believe pretty nails should never come at the cost of the real ones. Because let's be honest, extensions sit on top of the natural nails, but your natural nails are the foundation. You have to start paying attention to what's underneath, not just what's on top. And that's exactly what I speak about here. So if you're someone who wants to grow and maintain their natural nails the right way, make sure you're subscribed because we are just getting started. I'll see you in my next one. Bye.